السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. حلقتنا النهاردة بنتكلم فيها عن موقف بنمر بيه في الحياة، وهو لما تبقى جاي تعزم حد من زمايلك على أي حاجة وعايز تقول له العزومة عليا النهاردة، فتقولها له ازاي بالانجلش؟ هنقول التعبيرات دي. أول تعبير معانا فبقول له كده your money is no good here. your money is no good here معناه يعني مش انت اللي هتدفع، انا اللي هدفع.
No. Your money's no good here.
Webby, your money is no good here.
Please, your money's no good here. Put it away, huh?
طب لو عايز اقول له على حسابي فبقول كده it's on me. it's on me.
It is on me.
It is on me.
All of it is on me.
It's on me tonight. It's on me tonight.
It's on me.
It's on me.
Nah, it's on me.
It's on me.
It's on me.
او it's my trade. it's my trade يعني الحساب عليا.
How much do I owe you?
My treat. My treat. Don't worry about lunch. It's on me. It's on me.
Don't worry about it, it's my treat. Don't worry about it, it's my treat.
No, it's my treat. No, it's my treat.
My treat?
How much do I owe you?
My treat.
Harry, seriously, you ever want lunch? My treat.
Wait a minute, I wanted this to be my treat.
I know. My treat.
For example, today dinner is on me. today dinner is on me.
It's on me.
Dinner is on me.
Dinner is on me.
Dinner is on me.
By the way, lunch is on me.
Lunch is on me today.
Lunch is on me!
Lunch is on me.
Lunch is on me. Hey, drinks on me.
ولو عجبك الفيديو ما تنساش اللايك والكومنت، واشوفكم ان شاء الله في فيديو جديد. سلام.